everyone. Hi, ma'am. Have a good day. And my name is Garcia Kristine Mae. And my topic for today is all about lexical relations. So, what are lexical relations? Lexical relations are the way in which words are related to each other in a language. Lexical relations are used to analyze the meaning of the word based on the relationship between one another. In fact, they are one of the ways of understanding the meaning of the words. Here are the most common types of lexical relationship between words: synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, prototypes, homophones, homonyms, philos- polysemy, metonymy, and synonymy. Synonym is the relationship between two or more words or have a very close meaning in the word with the same meaning. Often can be substitute of for each other in a sentence. However, there are some cases in which a synonymy of a word could be added and cannot be used in a sentence. Note that synonymy does not in a meaning totally seamless to replace a word it can with a synonymy. You must consider the many factors including the context and the relationship between words. Synonymy can be found in all parts of speech, including the noun, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and etc. Here are some examples. The party was terrible. The party was harmful. As you can see, terrible and harmful are synonymy of bad. They are used to express the same meaning. And another one is she has a big house. She has a large house. As you can see, large and big are the synonymy. The meaning of both sentences are the same. Tips. There are also many differences in formal versus informal use of synonymy. Take a look, for example, below. I brought a car. I purchased a large and automobile. As you can see, the first sentence is more casual than the second one. There are two types of synonymy. Absolute synonymy. The absolute synonymy have the same meaning and function. In all the contexts that you can replace a two or absolutely synonymous words with their synonymies. Notice it this happen rarely. Partial synonymy. The partial synonymies occur of the words very closely related in a meaning, while the meaning are not the same. Thus, they are similar enough and convey to the same message. The next is antonymy. The antonymy is the relationship between with the opposite meaning. Antonymies are usually in a pair and be cannot found across all our parts of speech. Here are some examples. Adjectives: hot and cold. Noun: freedom and slavery. Verb: like and dislike. Adverb: never, always. Preposition: on and off. And there are three types of antonymy based on the relationship between composing words: gradable antonymy, complementary antonymy, reverse antonymy. Then hyponymy. The hyponymy happens where the meaning and one form of include in the meaning of the another in the same type of hierarchical relationship. It can be found in the verbs, adjectives, and nouns. There are but three major terms of hyponymy. One is hypernymy, which is referred to the general terms, and hyponymies, which refer to the more specific terms, and co-hyponymies, which refer the hyponymies of the same level. Take a look at the examples below. Green, white, and blue are the hyponymies of colors, and here colors are the hypernymies of green, which white and blue. Green, white, and blue are co-hyponymies of each other. Tips. The relationship between hyponymies can be found expressed by the phrase and kind of it can be ways and testing of the words and hyponymy or are not the same. Sometimes it can be only the way ensuring the words of meaning. For example, dog is a kind of animal. Dog is a hypernymy hyponyms of animals. Let's go to the other one. Prototype. A member of a set of a member of a group, a base, and represent the group in whole. It's called prototypes. An example of a group is can be recognized by the people in a prototypes, and here are some examples. Chair is a prototype of furniture. As you can see, people recognize a chair as a better example of bench or tools. Robin as a prototype of bird. Her, dove, and pelican and robin are the hyponyms of birds, and not all of them are good recognizable example of verb. Robin as the most well-known a member of a bird. Homophones and homonyms are words a different spelling and the meaning are the same pronunciation. It can define the homophones which word in the same spelling and pronunciation have a different meaning. They can describe the homonyms are the some example right and right homophones, meet and meet homophones. Race a competition of speed. Race are the people below on the same genetic stock of homonyms. As you can see, the two types of race are the related in the meaning of they can just have a same form. Next is polysemy. Polysemies happen when a word has more than one meaning, and all the meaning are there listed under one entry and dictionary. Here are some examples of polysymous word. Mouth, a noun. Mouth a river, mouth of animals, mouth of a cave. As you can see, it's a different meaning but they can relate it by the scenes. Light, adjective, color, not heavily, not seriously. Difference between polysemy and homonyms. Polysemy refer to the one word and multiple meaning, but homonymy refer to the words with the same spelling and pronunciation but the different words and different words case but polysemy words must stem of the same upper word class. The next is metonymy. Metonymy is a relation between words in which a word or phrase is used to represent something else and related and often through a contiguity of association. Here the example. I swear to the crown. Crown is a metonymy of a king and queen. Here a crown are represented as symbols of the monarch. I drank a whole bottle. Bottle is a metonymy of water and liquid. Here are closely connected with them. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.